Just look at that. When I want an easy dinner, I cook this. It's so simple. Packed with flavour, it's delicious. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today is one of those, you don't know what to cook and you want to cook an easy dinner. This is easy to throw together, okay? That is cubed chicken breast in there. I've got some pen pasta. So we're doing a chicken pasta dish, all in one pan. It's so easy. I mean, this is one of those, I have no idea what to cook. Throw it all in and it looks quality, tastes quality. Come on, let's do it. So we want a pan on. Of course we do, come on. Nice simple cook as always. In there, a little bit of olive oil. Now we're going to chuck some butter in as well. In that goes. Nice little flame on. My chicken breast is still a little bit frozen, but we're not going to worry about that, okay? It's going to cook, it'll be fine. So a little bit of that on in there. And what we'll do, we're seasoning in the pan. We're not going to season that there. We're seasoning in the pan. Not too high a flame. Okay, in there, our chicken. And there might be a little bit of water come out of here, like I say, because some of this is not quite defrosted. As you can see, some good cubes. No worries, eh? So I'm going to season that in there. Salt and pepper. And then we're going to chuck some paprika in once it's got a little bit of colour on. I don't put the paprika in straight away, it doesn't need it. I tend to find that paprika burns quickly on cooking meat like this, so it doesn't go in, okay? We put it in a minute. Give it a little shufty around. Now if you get any colour on this, that'd be absolutely fantastic. Be better if you wasn't using frozen chicken. Okay, now we can go in with a little bit of paprika. Chuck that all around in there, coat that chicken up. There we go. Nice little bit of colour on there now. Okay, we've got that lovely little bit of a tinge going on there, look. Chicken out. In there. Good enough. That's okay, that's in there. In with your onion. Nice little stir around. I'm going to put a little bit more butter in here. That's taken that fond off the bottom. Fabulous. About 4 minutes on there. In there, your garlic. Little turn in. Little Italian seasoning for us. A little bit of pepper. Tiny bit of salt. Worcester or Henderson's in there. Little stir around. In there, stock. In there, a little bit of Dijon mustard. This is cream cheese. So give that a little bit of a melting if we can. And obviously don't worry if it doesn't melt straight away. It doesn't matter, it's going to melt in the time that we cook. In there with some cream. Nice little stir in. Straight in there with your pasta. Nice simmer, lid on, 12 to 15. Grab a lid. Partial, 12 to 15. Keep coming along, give it a little stir. If the fluid is absorbed by the pasta or cooked off, add a little bit more boiling water. There you go. 12 to 15. There we go, we're getting a bit of a sauce on there, look. You have to watch it now. It's going to thicken up too much. We have to have a little bit of boiling water on standby, and we'll just add a little bit. Okay, in there, just a splash of boiling water. And you need to do that as many times until your pasta is cooked to how you like it. We want some chew left in this pasta before we chuck our chicken back in here. Got a nice sauce there, look. Okay, in there, Parmesan. Little stir around. In there, our chicken and any juice that's left in there. Give that a stir through. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. In there, optional but worth it, sun-dried tomatoes, a lump of parsley, keep some for garnish, and frozen peas. Give it all a mix in. And suddenly we've got a fantastic quality dinner. Now just give this about 2 minutes for the peas and everything to get cooked in there. Sun-dried tomatoes to warm up, and then we're serving. Look at that. How easy is that? Come on, you know it's got to be done. A little bit of Parmesan on there. And a little sprinkling of parsley. Come on. Just look at that. When I want an easy dinner, I cook this. It's so simple. Packed with flavour, it's delicious. There you go. It doesn't get much easier than that. Look at that. Fantastic. It's packed. You've got the chicken in there, you've got the pasta, you've got the sauce, the parmo. Come on. Some dried tomatoes at the end just for extra. It's just off the charts. It's a fantastic, simple, easy pasta dish, and it's delicious. It really is delicious. Our chicken. Oh, just so soft. There you go, that's an amazing pasta dish. Just throw it all together when you don't know what else to cook. Comes together all in one pan. No messing around. It's delicious. Nice sauce. You got chicken in there. You swap it out. Put anything in there. You know, up to you. Really, really tasty pasta dish. Parmesan in there. Oh, come on. If you like what we're doing, share with your friends. Tell them how easy they can put a meal on the table. So simple. And if you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Ring that bell. We'll catch you in the next video. That's just amazing.